Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today's word is borrow. It's an A2 level verb meaning to take something temporarily. When you borrow something, you're taking it with the understanding that you will return it. Synonyms for borrow include words like obtain temporarily and take with permission. For example, I need to obtain temporarily a pen from you, or may I take with permission your book? Now, let's look at antonyms. A common antonym of borrow is lend, which means to give something to someone for temporary use, like, I will lend you my umbrella, or she will lend the toy to her friend. Another antonym is return, which means to give something back, like, I must return the book tomorrow, or please return my keys when you are done. In everyday life, we use borrow all the time. For example, if you need a cup of sugar from your neighbor, you might ask, can I borrow a cup of sugar? Or when you ask a friend, could I borrow your notes from class? You could say, I need to borrow some money to pay for lunch. Here are some more examples. Can I borrow your car tonight? She decided to borrow a dress for the party, and remember to borrow a jacket, it is going to be cold. To recap, borrow means to take something temporarily with the intention of returning it. Lend and return are its antonyms, and it is a very common verb to use in daily life. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps other people find the show. Also, create your own sentence about borrow and share it in the comments below.